This video will show you how to set up your Niro 2 Wi-Fi garage controller and camera. Visit MomentumCam.com to check your Niro 2 compatibility list, or you can manually check by doing the following. Find the BWC terminals on the back of your garage opener. You can do this by first locating the garage console or button on your wall. Follow the wires from the wall console to the terminals on the back of the garage opener. Insert one end of each wire into the same ports as the wall remote. If the garage opener opens or closes, your garage opener is compatible. If your garage opener does not trigger after inserting the test wire, please contact our customer support for further assistance. Next, check your Niro 2 can receive signal from your Wi-Fi from the garage. Signal strength may vary in different households and is important to make sure your Niro 2 can receive signal for the best performance. Now let's install the Niro 2 garage controller. You can use the provided sticker and metal plate to attach the device to the garage opener. For your safety, unplug the power of the garage opener for the next few steps. If you are unsure which terminals to connect the wires to, please refer to your garage opener's instruction manual to verify. Connect the garage door wires provided into the same wire ports as your garage wall remote console or button. This may require you to press down on the tabs or loosen screws depending on your garage opener model. Insert the other end of the garage door wires into the door 1 terminals just like so. You may need to use a tool to push down on the buttons to release and insert the wires. Power the Niro 2 using the USB power cable and adapter, plugging it into a nearby power outlet. After a few seconds, your Niro 2 should be flashing red and blue to indicate it is ready to pair. Once the wires are inserted, you may plug back in the power for the garage opener. Next, let's install the wireless door sensor on your garage door. Remove the film from the sticker on the back of the sensor. Place it on the upper left or right section of your garage door. Remove the pull tab once you have placed the door sensor on the door. Your door sensor is now ready to go. To pair your Niro 2, download the Momentum Secure app from the App Store and create an account or log into your existing account. Tap the plus icon to add a new device. Select the Niro 2 camera option and follow the on-screen app instructions to complete the pairing process. Congratulations! You have successfully completed the installation for your Niro 2 Wi-Fi garage controller and camera. If you have any further questions, please contact our support team over at MomentumCam.com.